10 secret reasons you would never meet your genuine love or find the right person ever. 7.8 billion people, but you are lonely, doomed, broken forever. You tried and tried, chased them, found them, and were dumped by them. Or you were the one who enjoyed the chase, found them, dumped them. Whatever could be the reason, but you are single. If not single but mingling, sooner you would be single, doomed, or broken forever. This video is made for both positive and negative people. Depends on what you not just think of yourselves, but your actions have bared your game. Hi, I'm Blaze Goldburst, author of Reversed Order Existence. You can find the link in the description below and order your copy before it is too late. In this revelation, let us talk about you, only you. The 10 secret reasons you would never meet your genuine love or find the right person ever. Ever, ever, ever. Get it in your head before it is too late. Watch this video till the end. Today is the judgment day. These secrets would contain a bigger secret message to both the teams. Sadly, there are two kinds of lovers. What are the secret mistakes that a true lover makes? What are the secret mistakes that a villain lover wants us to make over and over again in order to take the utmost advantage over our lives? So, the battle begins. Secret number 1, being emotional. What's wrong in being emotional, right? What's wrong to madly fall in love and be in love and confess love all the time and treat them like the king or the queen of the world and be doomed in love? That's love. Whatever feels natural comes out naturally. Only true lovers can do that, like a pet dog to its master. But we are humans and we have intellect, perception, deeper thoughts, intuition, and everything else. We express a lot. Digital world has made it easier and wider. We want to grow and develop every single day. True love is a myth for most humans, if not all. But the biggest mistake occurs when we tend to find and seek it in another human being and wish that the person gives us that feeling and sense of importance. And so we turn extremely emotional, shower them all the love, the affection that has been hidden deeper within us, and seek the same from the other person, in this case, the villain lover. Ultimately, true lovers always get the tag as desperate and clingy, even if they have never been so. Let me tell the villain lover why. My dear villain lover, you met this person who loved you so much, cared for you, chased you, gave you plenty of attention, respected you, and sacrificed bigger things for you. Even spent a lot of money on you, bought you expensive gifts, cried for you, wasted a lot of tears on you, was with you in your ups and downs. You were a top investment in their entire universe. Your shit became their gold. But deeper inside you, you knew they treated you like a celebrity, while no one in this damned universe would ever treat you that special way. Because you never deserved it, but still you got it. You want to know why? Because you don't love yourself enough to love another person. You don't value your emotions. Why would you value someone else's? You didn't want them. Your eyes were looking for something else. Something that would eventually not give a damn about you. You deserve it. But my dear true lovers, stop existing in that fictional world looking for that one human who would walk up to you and be made only for you, or would be waiting for you from centuries. That might happen, but sometimes may never happen, and we should not be disheartened, because people who are meant to be in our lives will be at any cost and not abandon you. Better not to waste your emotions and health and be depressed for long. You met this person who took you for granted, never loved you enough, but you cared. You chased them, gave plenty of attention, sacrificed everything, spent a lot of money, bought gifts, cried for them behind closed doors. You considered them an investment, higher and costlier than gold. When that happily ever after dreams crashed, you gave them the tags of remembrance, heartless, unemotional, unloving. Look around you and you will discover that there are people who genuinely cared and want to be with you or have always been with you. They could be your parents, siblings, grandparents, or great friends. Heal yourself and be stronger every day. Take greater care of your emotional health. Be emotional with the right people. And if you want me to make more videos on relationships, follow me on Instagram and send me a message. Also, subscribe to this channel. Secret number 2. Blind trust. My dear villain lovers of the world, you were trusted, maybe too much, more than anything in this universe. You were placed on the topmost ladder of trust. But sadly, trust was broken. Because you were a perpetual liar, or you created false stories around you, and you had the power to do absolutely everything that you wanted. This relationship ran on your whims and wants, and so it ended. You ended it, probably, or you did something which eventually ended it. You were enjoying, partying secretly, flirting, and fooling around. And when your partner asked where were you, you had excuses and accused them to be suspecting you and said that they were overthinking. I know someone should not suspect too much, but in your case, there was a reason. You perhaps gave a reason to feel insecure or to be afraid of. In your case, the trust was broken and never to survive in your world because you lived a different world and you were a reluctant guest in the world of the true lover. By the way, my dear true lover, who asked you to trust humans with your eyes closed? Didn't you even realize that humans are and will be the deadliest predators? How could you trust someone so blindly that they played and must have continued playing and later dumped you maybe, and it took several years for you to get over that trauma? Do not pin your hopes on a human beast or suspect anyone too much, but take things slow. If you ever meet someone, know them properly, their attitude towards life, their background, their lifestyle, their future goals, if they have any. Don't trust blindly because in this digital world, people show what they are not and always wear a mask. Secret number 3. Severely honest. My dear true lover, your sense of genuine love was overly high and that made you believe that you should tell all details about you, your secrets to the villain lover. And because as you already believe in honesty to be the best policy, and so you took the statement literally. From your day-to-day activities to your past life, relationships, dreams, goals, everything, you told them all. But what's wrong in that, right? If you love somebody, tell them literally everything, right? But for the villain lover, your mystery ended, your weaknesses exposed, and the procedure for taking you for granted had already begun. In the book Reversed Order Existence, Blazon, the tiger, was honest and transparent with Diamondess, the human woman, about his approach to life in the reversed order existence. But what did he get? To find out, order a copy of Reversed Order Existence from the link in the description below. Secret number 4. Comparison game is equal to crashing of dreams. Sometimes you will encounter people who have big dreams or who want to do something for the society, but the other person has mediocre dreams, or even if they do, they don't support the other person's dreams and goals and run into a comparison game, like who is better and who is not. Sadly, that relationship becomes toxic when you feel none of the other appreciates the difference and stands up for each other. It is a severe failure. Suppose X does something important or significant in their life, but Y has something else in her mind, and instead of supporting X and standing up with him, she runs into a comparison game and even treats how much a disaster she is before him. Would such a relationship flourish? Will X not get traumatized? Secret number 5. Distance. A true lover will feel that distance would make the heart grow fonder and stronger. But nowadays, distance will make you distant, mostly. True lovers will keep their hope alive and believe love is bound to flourish as it is powerful and the bond is stronger and unbreakable. But sadly, we don't know what happens on the other side of the lane. We can never know what the other person is planning and plotting against you. You cannot force a human to stay with you, right? In most cases, it won't have a happy ending, but will leave you with a massive heartbreak. When the other person who seems to be too good to you would treat you like an option, true lovers will feel the urge to solve all the problems, fix everything. But what if the other person is not willing to? And what if you live far away and you can never reach them that easily to solve even the minor problems? Distance will make you distant, and so life is too short to even love. If two people don't want to work for it, it would never work. One-sided love is a failure and we should accept it. Secret number 6. The game of hope. People say that we should keep all the hope alive in us, but sometimes hope is not a positive word. To hope that a person would change, to hope that they would return to you, to hope that you would be respected someday, to hope that things would change because they never do. The word hope is overrated. In the game of hope, depression becomes the friend and your life becomes that of a prey in the jungle. Uncertainty rules your mind, and in the end, you are alone and you lead alone. Never live hoping a human being can transform so easily. A true lover in this case is the ultimate sufferer because you won't be able to move on with life and be stuck at the same place for years together. A snake will never become a tiger. Just believe that the snake is snake and the tiger is tiger. So, never depend on another human. Secret number 7. To never fight. You would encounter such people in life who would do anything just to be with you, would face any situation and be with you in your toughest journey, be it emotionally, physically or financially. They would never let you break down. They are the nicest people. But do we still want them? No. We still treat them like an option. To learn more about the depths of family, friendship, the ongoing conflicts in the minds of the youth and how a story house could connect them, read Lord's Ordinary Children by Gita Shripani. It is a must read for all of us and will definitely change our perspective and lives. Link in the description below. Secret number 8. One-sided loyalty. If you are not on the same page, then it would never last. Do not give people hopes. You are with them when you are not. Do not show people dreams that 5 years from now you would marry them or be with them. Do not make them commit a mistake of introducing you to their world. Do not appreciate them when you don't mean to genuinely support them emotionally, professionally, or any aspect of their lives. Do not be part of their lives right from the beginning if you intended to break them completely. Do not say or commit what you don't mean to, because living in a futuristic hope is a disaster. Do not waste someone's time because life is too short to even love. But we have all the space to hate. Secret number 9. Respect. You never respected them because you never respected yourself. Respect is the foundation of any relationship, and where it lacks and lags, it ends. Even if you are together, you are not together. It buries your relationship in a grave. If they don't respect you, they are not meant to be with you. Respecting your dreams, your career, your emotional health, your family is highly crucial. If a person hates themselves wholly, they would never respect what they had or have, and you would never be respected if you are with them. Secret number 10. Background or approach towards life. As you have already heard about this, that birds of the same feather would flock together. And the same applies when we choose what people we want in our lives to make it run smoothly. One wrong decision will ruin your entire existence. We have been used to a particular pattern of life, lifestyle, thought processes, or emotions, or perceptions towards life, relationships, career, etc. Are we ready to compromise our priorities and avoid our interests? But for how long? Sometimes we can forego our pleasure and compromise, but that may not last forever. Some would say money doesn't matter, and for some it matters. Some want to settle down fast. Others want to take their time and build themselves. Some people have different morals and choices. Some are independent from their families and others connected to their families. Some are social butterflies. Others love to be at home in comfort and ease. While some love to spend a lot, others love to invest and save. Some have drinking and smoking habits, while others prefer a healthy lifestyle. Some come from happy families, others from disjointed, unhappy families. Some are ambitious, others are less ambitious. Some are meritorious, have greater intellect, others mediocre or never appreciate intellect. We all have seen different lives and live different lives. So, background or approach towards life shapes us, makes us, and breaks us. My message to you: whatever you do in life, plan carefully. And in this process of carefully planning your life, do not drag another person in your confused journey where your mind is unsettled. Do not break hearts and give people false hopes or cheat with their emotions. Karma is watching everyone. I shared with you the reasons you would never find your genuine love. Never be the chaser and never expect or live in a hope that they would chase you or come after you. 7.8 billion people, but you can still be lonely, doomed, broken forever. Do your work and achieve what you are continuously putting your efforts in. Strive to excel in your field. You are alone and doomed if you do not change your ways and attitudes towards your life. Once we start respecting ourselves and the surrounding people, only then we can genuinely respect another person. If we are not committed to ourselves genuinely, we are constantly in the phase of lying, and liars and cheaters cannot lead happy lives. They are already doomed within, but still life can give them one chance to change themselves. But only if they realize before it's too late. Lead life like it has a purpose. You are the purpose. Only you can make it or break it. Thank you for watching this video. Order your copies of Reversed Order Existence and Lord's Ordinary Children from the link in the description below. And if you haven't watched the video on 20 secret things haters attempted on Blaze Goldburst, watch it now. Life is too short to even love. Where do we get the space to hate? Hate the hate, not the hater.
If you are new to this channel, subscribe now, like and share this video.